This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about placemats, specifically these French countryside placemats. And we have the khaki with pear stripe here, but you also have options for navy, eggshell, or red for the stripe on these. They're made from vinyl, which is fantastic because they're easy to clean up and durable. So they're a great option for heavy use in fast-paced environments, especially restaurants. They're 16 inches by 12, making them the perfect size for setting up your place settings. And they add that nice little touch of color to just help your dining room get that rustic yet sophisticated accent. The vinyl is a nice durable option, and it's also got this great weave pattern to it. So it actually looks like a nice kind of woven linen and has a warm, soft feel to it, even though it's going to be durable and really help out a lot in terms of giving a nice soft feel and a little bit of color. It also does things like protect your tabletops and allow for some sound dampening. So when people are putting items down, whether it's setting your table up and putting out plates and utensils and glasses, or during your actual service as well, it's going to keep the noise levels down a little bit, which is fantastic. So they're great for both indoor and outdoor dining areas, and they make an ideal option for bistros, restaurants, and cafes, but also for use at home or even in the office break room, since they have that lovely warm feel and they're also really durable and fantastic. You'll get a lot of long-term use out of these.